Okay, good morning, guys. How are you? How are you doing? Wish you're doing well. We take the lesson on Zoom, so we're gonna here uh, t- uh, try to record a video about what we took on Zoom. Okay, now please, guys, uh, you have 4 minutes to read the sentences here, 1 through 6. Read the sentences and add commas where needed. Read the sentences 1 through 6 and add commas where needed. 4 minutes. Go ahead. Where do we add the comma here? After want, after finish, after David, here, number 2. Because all the sentences need to add commas. Need to add commas for all the sentences 1 through 6. 3 more minutes left. One more minute left. 1 more minute left. Okay, guys, time's up. Please check your answers. Here are the answers. So we add a comma after David. For number one, David, I want to finish our science project. So is it okay to say read the sentence this way, guys? David, I want to finish our science project. No, we have to say David. Then we pause for 1 second, maybe. I don't know how much we pause. We pause. Sorry. So David, I want to finish our science project. So we add a comma here. Here we have yes, we are ready to write our report. Number three, you know, of course, that Ms. Yang is a tough grader. You know, of course, that Yang, sorry, is a tough grader. Number four, Marco, who loves science, is in our group. Marco, who loves science, is in our group. Our report is due on February 21st, 2014, which is also my birthday. Our teacher said, let's review your lab result. Okay, now let's talk about the sentences individually. Now, the first one, David, I want to finish our science project. You know that the sentence is about, this is the sentence. I want to finish our science project. But this one is called direct address. Direct address is happens when, for example, you call someone's name, you talk to your partner next to you, you say for him, Talal, I want uh, to, for example, use your book. Ahmed, can you give me your pen? Okay, so you have to add a comma after Talal or Ahmed, and this is called direct address. We move to the next one. We move to the next one. So when someone talks to you, for example, are you ready for the meeting? You're gonna say, yes, we are ready for the meeting. So yes is not part of the sentence that you're gonna say. It's introductory to what you're gonna say later. Okay, so it's yes is what introductory is not part of the sentence. So we add a comma to separate it. Okay, it introduces the second part, which is the sentence. So we add a comma here. Number three, we know that Ms. Yang is a tough grader. This is the sentence. The sentence, you know that Ms. Yang, sorry, is a tough grader. So of course, here is not part of the sentence. It comes here just as an interrupter. Interrupter. Okay. So is it okay to remove it? Yes, it's okay. Is it okay to remove? Of course, yeah, it's okay. So it's not part of the sentence. So we add a comma before, of course, and after, of course, to separate it from the sentence to tell the reader that this is not part of the sentence. It's just interrupted. Okay. Next one, Marco, who loves science, is in our group. You know that the sentence is about Marco, who is in our group. Marco is in our group. This is the sentence. And this one is additional information about Marco. We try to write these words to tell you more about Marco. So this is not part of the sentence. It's called non-essential clause. Non-essential clause. Okay. This is a clause that tells you about Marco. So we add a comma here to tell you that this is not part of the sentence. It's just additional information about Marco. It's here just to tell you more about Marco. Who is Marco? Number five, our report is due on February 21st, 2014. You know, guys, we talked about this before. We said that when we have the days, these are the days, and this is the year. Okay, if we don't add a comma here, readers will be confused. Is this a number? What's this number? Is one part of this? Is two part of this? We're gonna be confused. Okay, so we add a comma, so it's gonna be easier for readers to know that this is the year here and this is the day here. Okay, so wherever you add the day next to the year, you have to add a comma because these numbers are gonna be confusing if they are connected together. Okay. And what about this one? What? Okay, we know why do we add a comma here, but why do we add another comma here 2014, because the sentence is our report is due, sorry, on February 21st, 2014. This is the sentence, but we give more information uh, about something else, which is also my birthday. This is not part of this. It's additional information. What do you call it? Additional information. So we add a comma here. Okay. So this is the main sentence, and this is additional information we add at the end of the sentence. So this is called additional information. So we add a comma here. Separate, which is also my birthday, from the whole sentence. Now this is quotation, direct quotation. Sometimes, or we always say, we always use this, guys. We always say that, Mr. For example, the teacher said, we have, uh, we have to do the homework and send it on ClassDojo. What the teacher said is, we have to do the homework and send it to ClassDojo. This is exactly what the teacher said. So we call this what? Direct quotation. Now let's read this one again, please. Our teacher said, let's review your lab result. Now this is exactly what the teacher said, and this what the speaker said. This what the speaker said, and this what the teacher said. So we need to separate what the teacher said from what the speaker said. So usually when we say quotations, we usually use said, announced, claimed, uh, etc. Told. Okay, so we need to add a comma after the speaker. Okay. Now, as I told you guys, we try to have a wisdom every day. So today's wisdom, guys: actions speak louder than words. Okay, I always meet people, guys, who always say words, but they don't show actions. Okay, they always say I'm smart, for example. Uh, I'm smart, but they don't train themselves to be smart. They always say that for example, I can, I'm very strong, but they don't show actions. They can't even carry a glass of water. Okay, so they need to show actions more than telling words. So which one is better, guys? Which one is better? You say I'm very smart. This is the action. These are the words you say, or to get, for example, high marks. Which one is better for you? Which one can convince you guys? The one who says I'm very smart, or the one who gets high marks? Of course, the marks. When someone gets high marks, okay, he can persuade us that he's smart. No need even to say any word. When I know that, for example, this guy got full mark in English, got full mark in science, got full mark in social studies, etc. Okay, I will know. No need even to. Will not wait for him to say that I'm smart. I will know that he's smart. Okay, but what about others who always say I'm smart and they don't show actions? Their marks are always low. Their marks are always low, and they don't work hard during their classes. Okay, teachers are complaining about them. Teachers are complaining about what they're doing in the classroom. So, do you think that their words can convince you? Well, and other teachers who show actions, I will not say names. You all, mashallah, are smart. So those you find that, for example, some teachers always say some names, and they always say that they are smart, they are working hard, they are doing well. So do you think that these students, whom the teacher are talking about, do you think that they say words or show actions? They show actions just because teachers are always talking about them. They always say that they are doing well and they're the best and they're smart. Thank you, guys. So actions speak louder than words. Try to show actions and avoid saying words. Next one, please do the homework, page number 221 to 223, exercise 1 through 3. Do them all, guys, please. Good luck. See you later.